Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to tag someone on Instagram after posting the picture. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the Instagram and then go to the picture that you want to tag someone. So I will go to my photo like this, and then from here I will select the photo. Now from here you need to tap on the three dots on the right upper side. So tap on the three dots and then you will see the edit option like here. So I will go with the edit, and then you will find different types of options like tag people, add location, add music, add AI labels, and many more. So I want to go to the tag people section, and then from here you need to tag someone. So there will be faces like someone in the picture. So there will be photos. So you need to select the people's face like tapping on the screen like this, and then you need to find out their username. So you need to type their username like I am going to do, like this person. So after typing the username you need to select that, and now as you can see this person has been tagged. Then you need to tap on the like the tick mark, then again tap on the tick mark. So there you go. So if you just tap on the this button, tag button, you will see the person has been tagged in. So that's how you can simply tag someone after posting the picture. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not, and I will catch you guys in the next one.